Hello everyone, this is Bella Hagen again and welcome to my channel, and this videos is unboxing what is in the box. Ayan, and for now I would like to greet all my members. Thank you so much for joining to my channel. Thank you so much sis Genevieve Garlic and Raymond's World. Thank you so much din kay sis Jonah Groceries. Ayan, Jonah Groceries and Evalicious TV. Guys, please pabisita ng ating mga members. Okay, thank you so much. And nandyan din si Miss Con Hong Kong. Ayan, Miss Con HK. And nandyan din si Ma'am Shelise. At wag nating kakalimutan si Mapi Gatinaw. At nandyan din si RB Veldeca. Ayan. At ang isa pa ay si Sis It's Amazing Life na nirecommend ni Sis Mapi Gatinaw. Ayan. Thank you so much guys for joining to my channel and for your all support and for your trust to me. Ayan, I'm so thankful to all of you guys. Thank you so much. Ayan, and let's start my unboxing today. Yes, so I think I don't need the scissors. What's in the box? Wow, I have this guys, look. A simple and easy to use video call live stream teleconference. Ayan. As you can see, LaRmTech. Okay. And what's inside? In the other side, HD webcam privacy protection. It's there. Yeah. So let's start opening. Oh, what's this? There's inside. I don't know what's this one. And this one. So here it is, guys. Ayan. So, ito na siya. Ayan. Ito siya, guys. Camera. Ito, napofold siya. I don't know what's this for. Ayan. Napofold siya. And USB. Ayan ang camera. So, and I think this is a good one. My husband get this to me, for me. Ayan, kaya thank you so much, hubby. Ayan, HD webcam user manual. Ito ang manual niya, guys. Ayan siya. Ayan. I will show you later because I want to try it also. I just need to read all the what it's written here in the manual first, and then I can try it. Let's try this webcam camera, USB camera. Yeah, is that nice, guys? look for this. Ayan guys, I think this piece you can put it here. So it's not too wide the camera, like this. And you can close it if you don't need it. So that's it guys. It's pretty good, I think. I just need to try it on.